no family should have to go through what we're going through with other families that are going through this here in the city of Philadelphia.
The family of the late Temple Police Sergeant Christopher Fitzgerald calling the latest update to the case devastating. Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner will not be pursuing the death penalty for his alleged killer, Miles Pfeffer. Our Jennifer Lee reports.
In court, the lawyer for accused killer Miles Pfeffer entered pleas of not guilty on his behalf as the district attorney's office decides to move forward without seeking the death penalty.
How can you not think that this doesn't deserve the death penalty case? I just don't understand it.
Temple University Sergeant Christopher Fitzgerald was fatally shot on February 18, 2023. And now, nearly a year and a half later, his family says District Attorney Larry Krasner strung them along as he contemplated the death penalty.
The highest punishment available to a judge or jury to consider will never be offered them. And that's the problem here. We feel like Krasner should step down or be put to a recall vote.
A spokesperson for the district attorney's office says the decision to not seek out the death penalty was made after extensive input from the family and a committee of experts who reviewed all aspects of the case. The Fitzgerald family lawyer says DA Krasner also denied the family's request to directly appeal this decision.
He told us who he was the first time we met with him. He told us he didn't believe in the death penalty, but he was going to be non-biased.
Miles Pfeffer is accused of shooting and killing Sergeant Fitzgerald, arrested less than 24 hours after the killing. The 19-year-old did not appear in court for the formal arraignment, and his public defender had no comment on the DA's call to not seek out the death penalty. Jeffrey McKee of the Temple University Police Association says Sergeant Fitzgerald was his partner on the force, and they shared an inseparable bond.
There's a clear message there that if you are a police officer within the city of Philadelphia and a criminal comes to Philadelphia and, decides to murder a police officer, that there are no consequences for those actions.
In a statement, a spokesperson for the DA says, quote, "The input of the family is deeply appreciated and was carefully considered by the committee and DA Krasner prior to his decision." The district attorney's office looks forward to continuing to support the family's needs and to vigorously prosecuting this terrible murder.
At least have some decency and respect for us to let us know why. But you're willing to have a meeting with a cold-hearted murderer.
District Attorney Larry Krasner did not make himself available for an interview today. As for Pfeffer, his next court date is on July 31st. At the CJC, Jennifer Lee, Fox 29 News.